Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to cover all the controversy with my 2006 Bugatti Veyron, which I have on Bring a Trailer to be auctioned, and so much drama going on online, and I want to set the record straight and show you guys in person in real time. Today is February 22nd 2022, so it's not 6 months ago, it's right now. I want to show you guys the car up close and personal, even take it for a test drive to show you guys the car is safe to drive. Anyhow, for people that don't know what's going on, I put this car on the Bring a Trailer auction site to be sold, and the service records I uploaded, they had some fine print I didn't read honestly until you guys pointed it out, that the car is unsafe to drive. There is a radiator leak, the rear wing is inoperable, underlining is broken, all this, which is, some are true and some are exaggerated, and the dealer is producing me a letter to that effect. Let me give you a little history recap on the car. I bought the car from the original owner that ordered this car with this spec back in 2006, in May 2020. So I've only had 200 miles put on the car since then. I had tires and oil change done at cost of $55,000 last December. At the time, they told me their car has a radiator leak, but I didn't see any leak. I didn't see any concern with it. I figured it's a very small leak, and they top off the coolant, the light is not coming on anymore. But they had put in there the car is not safe to drive, and I didn't know that. I didn't read the fine print, and they didn't even tell me. So how would I know until you guys review it and point it out in the comments? Since then, I've contacted the dealer, I've ordered the radiator, and they are producing me a letter that the car will be safe to drive. There's nothing wrong with it except for this radiator leak, which is on order. Now, I would have updated the listing description, but Bring a Trailer will not modify once the listing is up, and you are basically out of luck. So that's why I put it in the comments. If you guys see my comments on the Bring a Trailer listing, you'll see that I know that on there radiator is on order, but unfortunately I can't fix the description. Anyhow, all this drama for the mama, and then you have the rear wing unoperable. The car was sitting for 2 or 3 years with the previous owner, wasn't being driven, so the wing sensors were dusty, it wasn't working, was giving me a lot of warning signs. Since I've put 200 miles on a car, I have not had any issues with the wing. It works, and I'm going to show it to you today. Bottom line, before the auction ends, I want to reassure the buyer the radiator will be replaced at my cost, and the car is safe to drive. It's got new tires, fully serviced, and I'm going to take it for a drive to show you guys the car is drivable. So let's go look under the hood. Technically, Bugatti doesn't have a hood, but you know what I mean. So as you can see, the front radiator has a small leak. No, never mind, wrong Bugatti. We're having fun. All right, so let's first demonstrate that the wing works. Got the key. You can see over here on the dash, there is no warning lights. That blue line is basically saying the car is cold, but there is no other warning lights or anything you gotta worry about. We're gonna wait for the car to warm up a bit, and then we're gonna put it in the handling mode, which will push the wing up. And here we go. Now we are in handling mode. If you look over here, it says handling. And the car has 14,238 miles. And now we're gonna put it back in the normal mode by pushing the wing here. And now that last piece takes a little bit, the car is gonna cool off and it's gonna go down, and you will witness it in a few seconds. There you go. And while that's happening, I'm gonna go move my P1. That sounds so sexy. All right, Now, as you can see, the wing is all the way down in a regular mode. Nothing wrong with it. By the way, guys, the car comes with both keys, books, charger, cover, the whole shebang. And take a look over here. There's no warning lights. Everything works. Guys, I'm so glad I'm doing this to set the record straight. It was really bothering me a lot. All these other different sites are making me sound like I'm selling a salvage car, a car that's all falling apart. And I've been driving this car. You guys seen the videos. This car drives amazing. There is no red lights or green lights. Got brand new tires. Woo! Woo! Okay, maybe we should have warmed up those tires.
I think the brakes.
Yeah. Woo! All right, let's warm up those tires. This is the only time I get to do a video, you know, on a regular schedule and set the record straight. Take a look at the dash. Do you see anything? Show me. I don't even have my gas light on, which is a rare occasion with any of my cars. Now, we don't want to put too much miles on this car. It already has quite a bit of miles, but I want to demonstrate this car is safe to drive. If it wasn't, I wouldn't be risking my life. And it drives amazing. Good Lord! Woo! All right, let's get back in the nest. All right, guys. Well, you saw that car drives amazing, and I'm so confident. I'm gonna guarantee the wing will work, no problems. Radiator is going to be replaced. And happy hunting, bidding on this beautiful Bugatti. From what I'm told, it's a one-of-one color. It's the only color combo in the Veyrons. I think they produce 270 or so Veyrons, so it's a great, unique color combo. New shoes, new service, new radiator, and if it needs a wing, I got you covered. All right, guys, the car's back in the nest. I'm about to park it. Still, there is no lights on, and if there is any issues with the wing or anything on the car at the time of delivery, I'll take care of it. All right, guys, that will do it for this week's video. Setting the record straight and going for a joyride. I hope one of you guys are going to be the lucky owners, and I personally deliver the car to you when you come to pick it up. So with that said, be safe, be well. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and see you guys next week. So I sold this for 40.7 million. 2 years ago, so I made about close to $12 million. Residential investors work longer hours for lower returns compared to commercial real estate investors. Contrarian Academy helps residential investors successfully acquire their first commercial property in 6 months or less. There's a lot of pockets of opportunity where you can take great real estate that's located in great location and repurpose it. While one state, for example, Houston, that's heavily invested in oil and gas industry is experiencing a recession, you may have another state like California experiencing the economic boom. You don't really have to wait for a global economic recession to jump out and invest your money and buy real estate. Apply now by clicking the link below.